Last week we had an assembly. Let's get a recap.
Last Thursday, we held our 6th Mustang Musings Assembly of the year. We reviewed what it means to be STEM crazy in the auditorium or the multipurpose room for an assembly. We are curious when we learn something new and appreciate the talents of others. We are respectful when we keep our hands, feet, and other objects to ourselves, applaud politely as appropriate, and use appropriate language and volume. We show we are accountable when we take care of school property. We enter quietly and sit with our class, and we listen to the presenters. We show zero quit when we stay focused on the presentation. We also took a moment to recognize the latest Mustangs of the month. Congratulations to these students, and thank you for your great work at school. We were privileged to get to hear a virtual performance from our concert orchestra. Even when we can't have our normal assembly structure, we still love to enjoy student performances. We next shared the data which showed the great growth our students have already made in their reading comprehension. At the beginning of the school year, our 7th graders averaged a Lexile score of 768. In just half of a school year, we have seen the average score of our 7th graders grow to 815. At the beginning of the year, our 8th graders averaged a Lexile score of 792. In just half of a school year, we have seen the average score for our 8th graders grow to 848. This is such a remarkable accomplishment for both our 7th and 8th graders. Well done. Just before you took your mid-year reading inventory test, you each received a bookmark that showed your beginning of the year RI score. After completing the mid-year RI test, we hope you wrote down your new score as you work towards your end-of-year goal to improve by a grade level and a half. You can also use those data points to graph your progress towards that end-of-year goal. All students who can reach their end-of-year growth goal will receive a free Westlake hoodie that represents your accomplishment of a 1.5 grade level improvement. Remarkably, 111 students from our school have already hit their 1.5 growth goal in just half of a year. As such, we awarded those students with their free hoodie during the assembly. This is the largest percentage of students we've ever seen hit their end-of-year goal by halfway through the school year. Congratulations to those students on their remarkable accomplishment. And we expect to see many, many more students achieve their goal by the time they take their 3rd RI test in April. Good luck and keep working hard. As we wound down our assembly, we were privileged to hear our mixed choir perform virtually, although we did have some technical difficulties with the audio. The Westlake choirs represented our school so well as they had visited Granger High School just before Christmas break and pre-recorded their performances. We finished our assembly with a life lesson example of a skier being egged on to make a jump off of a cliff he didn't feel ready for by other skiers passing on the ski lift overhead. Sure enough, the skier wrecked spectacularly in making the attempt and could have seriously injured himself. By the time the skier had dug himself out of the snow and found all of his equipment, the skiers who had coaxed him to make the jump were long gone, bearing no responsibility for the results of the jump. Some aspects of the heartbreaking events in our nation's capital this week are similar to our skier example. Many individuals made dangerous and violent decisions that threatened their own safety and the safety of our country that they likely would not have made had they been alone. Furthermore, the negative results to their own future and to our country will linger long after the group has dispersed. It is so important in each of our lives that we, yes, develop our own perspectives and opinions, and then we act consistent with those opinions and consistent with how we would act if we were alone and not influenced by those around us. In the end, those around us will come and go, but the consequences for our own actions will always be our own. Our next Mustang Musings Assembly will take place on Thursday, February 13th.
Thanks for the recap.